guys, today I'm gonna testing lag test. If I don't know, it's not a computer, guys. I will just get a lag. Oh, there's so many people playing this. Why not we play? Hmm. Oh my god! Oh, someone's hacking. Oh my god. I'm lagging. I'm the. Oh, look, guys. Guys, play this. If you are here, shout out. What's the name? Bart. Bart. Skeleton. We will kill. House hippo. Got it. Bro. Oh my god. Why am I so laggy? I will reset. Reset. I'm too laggy. Look. Let's do. Oh my god. It's 1 minute. Wow. It's just 1 minute. Oh my god, guys. Guys. This is not funny. Oh my god. Ah! Live. I cannot move. Bro. Bro, guys. Let me just.
So I found the 2025 version of the game, which allowed me to spawn 5,000 objects in a single click. And so I began spam clicking until at 500,000 objects, there were so many that the map.
Oh, maybe not this. Bandan. Bandan, why? Oh my god.
Ganun ka, ano yung insulin mo? Ganun ka, importante na, hindi mo alam? Hindi mo alam?
Maybe not that. 2025.
Kaya nga.
Lag test. 2025.
Ang problema mataas eh. Baka nag-ako, nagagawin pa.
Okay.
Alam mo, may yung sinasabi mo na bumili, pwede naman eh. Oo, hindi.
Hindi ka.
Bakit mataas? Yan tanong ko sa'yo.
Oh,
Pwede ka naman gawin eh.
yeah.
Pwede mo ano yun eh. Pero yung sasabi mo, kahit di na bumili, ano ka, papasusot?
Bro, I don't need this. I need this.
Hindi. Ha?
Our favorite.
Hindi nga yun. Di ba, inaano natin na isasayang ka lang?
Spawn!
Hindi ko ito. Isa lang yung ginagamit eh. Dalawa nga yun eh. Hindi naintindihan yung gano'n. Yung gano'n sistema ng gamutan mo. Oo. Sa dulo, mas malala ang nangyayari. Mas malaking problema.
What will happen if I hit
Hindi, mas ikot ako doon.
Tatang?
Hindi mo naintindihan yung gano'n. Ewan ko.
Bro. I'm laggy. Oh, yes. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. Oh. How can I get them?
Nakakatakot. Malaki pa yan. Ano magiging yung ginagawa mo?
Bye-bye.